Answer back. Meaning, to reply rudely to someone in authority. Synonyms: retort, talk back, snap. Examples: 1. The student was reprimanded for answering back to the teacher. 2. Don't answer back when your boss gives you instructions. Answer back. Meaning, to reply to a question or request at a later time. Synonyms: retort, talk back, snap. Examples: 1. She didn't have the information at the meeting but promised to answer back by the end of the day. 2. I'll answer back once I've checked my schedule. Answer 4. Meaning, to be responsible for something bad or to take the blame. Synonyms: account for, take responsibility for, justify. Examples: 1. The CEO will have to answer for the company's financial losses. 2. You must answer for your actions if you break the rules. Answer 2. Meaning, to report or be responsible to someone. Synonyms: report to, be accountable to, be responsible to. Examples: 1. In this role, you will answer to the Director of Operations. 2. He answers to no one but the CEO.